Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Sandy Williams. Vibrant Energy is making a multi-billion-dollar bet on Jamaica's energy sector through a major partnership with FESCO, and they're starting in St. James. Here's Deidre Thomas with the details.
Officials broke ground for the first Vibrant Energy service station in Montego Bay recently. Done in partnership with FESCO, Stephen Gooden, director of Vibrant Energy, says this is more than just a service station. He says the investment will have a direct impact on the local economy.
We are proud that this investment will create employment doing construction and operations, and we actually estimate that once we're up and running, we'll be employing over 100 people collectively, while generating economic activity for local businesses and provide a modern facility that serves residents and visitors alike.
The project, years in the making, represents the first step in Vibrant Energy's plan to build a network of between 8 to 12 stations across Jamaica. Montego Bay was chosen as the first location because of its rapid economic growth, driven by tourism, entrepreneurship, and commercial expansion.
We are committed to sourcing materials and services from the local community here, and of course to foster economic growth. This collaboration with Vibrant is a testament to what we can achieve when we work together towards shared goals. Vibrant's expertise aligns perfectly with our mission to provide innovative solutions that meet the needs of our customers.
The company also announced that 2 additional locations are already being planned out for Kingston and St. Andrew.
Together, these projects, along with this one, will represent close to $4 billion worth of investments. And that demonstrates our commitment to building a truly national network.
Officials say the partnership is about building a more modern and efficient energy future for Jamaica. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
The JSE index declined by 2,575 points, while the junior market index declined by 68 points. The winners were led by MFS Capital Partners, A.S. Braddon & Sons Holdings, a 6%, Iron Rock Insurance Company, Mayberry Group, and Sterling Investments. Meanwhile, the losers were led by Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Main Event Entertainment Group, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US Dollar Shares, Image Plus Consultants, and Dermont Trading Company, 13 stocks traded firm. At the end of foreign exchange trading, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $158.44. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.47. The pound is going for $211.34, while the euro is selling for an average $187.42. And that's the Business Day. News from overseas right after this break.